Graphic recording by Edinburgh College of Art illustrators at our 2022 annual conference. Edinburgh College of Art fourth year illustration students Katie, Rachel, Ruby and Ola attended our 2022 annual conference, producing a series of visual responses to keynote speakers and workshops. Here's a selection of their illustration work linked to topics discussed over the 2 days. Day 2 co-chairs Jennifer Davidson from the Institute for Inspiring Children's Futures and Ali from the Luna Project. Themes from the opening morning of Day 2. Yopa Properties Head of Scotland, Anthony Conroy. Keynote speaker Sami Mansour from Intercultural Youth Scotland. The Care Inspectorate and Healthcare Improvement Scotland's workshop on the Bairnshouse. Dad Matters, Homestart Glasgow's workshop. West Lothian College's workshop on outdoor learning to support wellbeing and sustainability. Nordoff Robins workshop, music, engagement and wellbeing. The Luna Project's workshop, We Are Whole People. Changing Our World's workshop, children and young people's views on e-cigarettes and vaping. Creative Scotland's workshop, learning from youth-led arts funding. Starcatcher's workshop, expressive arts experiences and the voice of the child. Richard Rose's workshop on therapeutic life story work. Our final keynote speaker, Jordan Daly, co-founder and director of Time for Inclusive Education. An important message from Jordan Daly's keynote. Thanks to the illustrators, Katie, Rachel, Ruby and Ola. To find out more about our work, visit childreninscotland.org.uk.